If you have been looking for handwork that you can go into, specialize into, that can make you money in 2025, that can make you rich, guys, you are in the right video. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 best handwork that can make you a millionaire in 2025. You heard me right. Come closer. If you have been looking for handwork, the best handwork that can make you a millionaire, when you hear them say that your handwork will speak for you, this is what it is. And all you need to do is to go and register for this handwork and learn this handwork, and not to jump out of it after 6 months of learning. If you don't learn it very, very well, you're not going to make money, guys. That is the truth. And right now, let's jump into this. The first one, handwork that can make you money, make you rich, make you money this 2025 is what? Automobile repairs, known as mechanic, car repairs, and all of that. This is one of the lucrative handwork that you can go into. A lot of people are driving cars today, and car is a necessity. It is not luxury. But when you now come to cars, you will now see that people that have money, they want to go into luxury cars. So handwork, automobile handwork, learning how to repair cars is one of the handwork, lucrative handwork that can make you money. You can specialize into Mercedes-Benz. You can specialize into Toyota cars repairs. This is one of the lucrative business in 2025 that is going to make you rich, going to make you a millionaire, guys. There are so many cars. People are driving cars today, and owning a car is not a luxury life. It's a necessity. You need a car to go from one place to the other, to go to your business functions, events, and all of that. And sometimes people buy car for executive use, to show that they have made money, to show that they have become rich. And who is going to repair all of these cars? It is you. If you're interested in learning how to repair cars, there are many cars to repair. You can specialize into one or two if you care. You can go into Ford brand, you can go into Mercedes-Benz, you can go into Toyota. Any of this is going to make you money. Put your head down and learn any of these cars, guys, how to repair them. And the next one, number 2, is what? Plumbing job. Plumbing job. Before any house that will stand today, they must need a plumber. And you can turn your plumbing into a professional mode, guys. All you need is to go and learn this handwork. People need it. You can see many homes. There's no home that doesn't have any plumbing job. Even after the home is built to the finishing, even after, today I called a plumber to come and repair 1 or 2 things. And how much did I pay the plumber? Close to 8,000 naira, guys, to repair something under how many minutes? It's done. So plumbing job, repairs, and all of that is one of the lucrative job that can make you a millionaire. Register where you can learn these particular things, and guys, boom, you are gone and start your office, start it as a business, guys, and you're going to make money. And the next one, number 3, is what? Furniture, interior decoration. Guys, interior design is one of the things that are making money today, guys. You can learn this handwork, register and learn it. There are many homes, they need furniture. You can see this design that is trending right now. People that has money, they are ready to spend their last card, you understand, to design and to have a good environment in their homes. So if you are interested in learning this particular handwork, guys, go and learn it. Is going to make you money. And the next one is what? Fashion design. Let me hear it. It's not only women that will be making money. You can see professional people making money in this particular field. This is one of the lucrative handwork that you can get yourself into and make money and become rich. One thing about fashion or any of this handwork is know what you are doing, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to make money. That's just the truth. And the next one, number 6, is phone repairs and computer repairs. This is one of the lucrative handwork that you can learn that can make you money, guys. At a sitting, a handwork repairer to repair phone and to repair laptop can charge you at a sitting 10,000 naira. You understand? And what if he repairs like 5 in a day? He's going to make it 50k. Let me be honest with you. So you can make money as a phone repairer or as a laptop repairer. And the next handwork is to learn a skill. You can learn trading, you can learn technology, you can learn engineering. Any of this is going to make you money, guys. So let me know in the comment section which one would you like to choose. Right now, I'm going to be stopping here. If you have any question, guys, put it on the comment section. It's your girl, Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel and make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. If you have any question, put it on the comment section and see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.